Then I also have my customer service agent here just in case I need some help. Say hi, Willow. There's a reason why she's the best in the biz there. Hey guys, guess what? Q4 is here. That's right. I had over $1,000 in sales this weekend, and I'm going to take you guys through those items and show you guys which ones you should be looking out for. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you like reseller content. I put a lot of educational things on how to price, what bolos to be looking out for. I also have a DVD series out there for you guys if you want to check out how to sell DVDs. A lot of great information for you guys to check out. Now let's look at my sales right now. All right, so here's all the sales for this weekend. I may be missing a few that I didn't pull yet, but I'm going to take you guys through these. I try to get a lot of them into bundles of similar ways that I'm shipping them, also just of different ways I'm tracking some stuff as well. I sold this Seedless t-shirt I've had for a while. That's just my only piece of clothing for this weekend. I don't have many up right now. That's 15 bucks. This Mario Kart with the wheel, I think that was 39 or 40. Selena ones, I believe that was around 40 as well. Murder, She Wrote Season 1 sealed, I think that was 17 or 18. These were two great sales right here. This is actually one sale altogether. I gave an offer of $32 on that one for those two together. NCAA Football 13, it's still doing really well out there. I think that one was around 26 or something like that. Splinter Cell Trilogy is a great one. I think that was in the 20s. Star Wars Empire at War, the gold pack. You want to look for the gold pack. I think that was 15. Resident Evil 4, that was also, I think, 15. Nitro Kart, that was probably like 12. Endless Ocean, I believe that was 13 to 15. Harry Potter Connect, that was just disc only. I think that was 15 as well. Test Drive was, I think, 13 or 14. Blur, I believe, was 25. Sold an NWA CD. I should have kept this one. Actually, if it was a tape, I definitely would have kept this one. This was, I think, 15 bucks as well. Two Star Wars PC games, very old one. These are, I think, are like Windows 95-ish operating systems. Those went for, I believe, like 21 or so. Harry Potter Order of the Phoenix audiobook. Sealed still. I believe this went for $45. Don't sleep on sealed ones and pricing high on them, especially Harry Potter. Even if they're not sealed, I get usually between 15 to 20 still. Will and Grace. This isn't even the complete. I think it needs a season 8 in there as well, but this is 1 through 7. I got them each for like, I think, $2 and put them together, and I think I got like 50 or so. I'll put the dollar round up there. Chippendales collection 2, I think that was like 15. Sean Connery, this is a bolo right now. If you could find any of the Sean Connery 007 collection DVDs, since he just passed. This one I actually found after he passed, and it is sealed. Sold for $50. Batman 3rd season, I believe that was 15. Empire Strikes Back widescreen limited edition. That is the key right there. Limited edition widescreen. Purple, this is, I think, the theatrical release one. Very hard to find. Sealed, and that was, I believe, around 40 or 38. I gave an offer on. Clue sealed, I think that was like $12.95 or so. Epson toner still sells great. Make sure you check which one it is, even if it's expired or not. I believe this one is not. No, it is not. That one sold for $20. Love Comes Softly series. I bought that, I think, for $2 and sold that for around $25. Hobbit trilogy. I think that was like 13 or 15. Age of Empires 3. Look for the gold edition if you're looking for it. That one sells better than most of them, or if you find, I think there may be a complete edition with the Asian dynasties out there as well. And that one, this one went for, I don't know, 17 or so. Sold 2 Guitar Hero 3 Legend of Rock for the Wii. I think those are $17.95 each. Here is another great sale. Robin Williams. I put these 2 sets together. I think there's like 6 discs in each one or something like that. And that one went for $60. Also, Dynasty, season 1 through 4, I believe I paid like $3 for this one, and I think it went for almost $30. And then the big one of the week, I paid up for this one. I paid $48 for this, and I sold it in less than a week for $209. Here's what it is: a Tascam portable CD guitar trainer. So there's like this little CD player in there. Look at that. I don't know if it gives you like the tabs and stuff like that. It looks like it has some built-in effects if you want to see all the cool stuff about it. But that's so quick. Make sure to pay up for good stuff. I always do that. That's my #1 thing right now. Pay up for the good stuff. So just real quick to show you guys my setup for how I'm shipping out. I got my laptop set up here. I got another screen here to be able to check out some of my favorite reseller YouTubers. See if you recognize yourself. I got a lot of videos to catch up on today since I have so much stuff to ship out. I have my trusty scale right here, an Accutech. I think this is like $20 on Amazon. I've had this for over a year and had no issues. My Rollo printer is right there. It is awesome. Definitely invest in that so you don't have to be printing on that and cutting and pasting. Tape, I have 2 types of tape. I have the eBay tape for my white packages and just plain old Walmart tape here. I also like to put the 2 types of packages I use the most right to my right, and this allows me just to grab them when I pull up orders. This is for any thicker DVDs that I need to put in there. I just put them in there, and then I seal by folding over. Can't do it with one hand. There you go. Seal that, tape it up, and it's good to go. And these are for regular games and DVDs. And then I also have my customer service agent here just in case I need some help. Say hi, Willow. There's a reason why she's the best in the biz there. Great calm demeanor. Willow, you want to say hi to everyone? No? Tired? Oh, who's a good dog? Oh, who's the best customer service agent? So those are all the packages I'm going to be packing up, and that's kind of like how I set up my little workstation right there. I'm actually going to be building out a new station for myself that's just going to be for shipping, and probably by the end of the year. I'm just waiting on a few things to arrive, but that's how I get them all out. And you know, it's a lot of orders, but I'm blessed right now to have that many orders come through in one weekend, over $1,000 of items. And I'm just so happy to be able to get those out and make some money for myself and my business and my family. So there's all of my items packed up. Took a couple hours, but look at that stack. That's going to be fun to bring in the post office. Always a great problem to have. So thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. I like to share educational tips like this, just showing you guys little parts of my processes, also bolos, all those type of items, just to help you guys grow your business as well. So in the meantime, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.